This tutorial will guide you through the steps of using your Prodigio or Prodigio and Milk machine for the first time. It will also help you pair it with your mobile devices such as iPhones, iPads, or Android smartphones. To check your device's compatibility, please go on nespresso.com/Prodigio. To start, remove water tank, maintenance module, and, if you have the Prodigio and Milk, remove the Arrocino as well to clean them. Rinse the water tank before filling it with fresh drinking water. Place the water tank on its base, insert the maintenance module, and put the Arrocino in position. Turn the machine on by pressing any coffee button or by opening the slider. Lights will blink. Heating up takes approximately 25 seconds. Steady lights means your machine is ready. Now let's start the pairing process. Please note you can also use this machine without connectivity features. First, download the Nespresso app. If you have it already, please update the app. Remember that the Bluetooth mode must be activated beforehand on your mobile device. Launch the app. Click on the machine icon. Then follow the instructions from the app. When paired, the Nespresso light on your machine will blink for confirmation. Before making any coffee, make sure to rinse your machine. Place a container under coffee outlet. Close the slider and press the lungo button to rinse the machine. Repeat the rinsing 3 times. To turn your machine off, ensure all 3 coffee buttons are on. Press and hold lungo and espresso buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can now have a look at the coffee preparation tutorial to learn about everyday use.